how to make a YouTube channel too. First one is in the description. It's not very well made. You've been warned. Let's get on with the video. Editing. OpenShot or Windows Movie Maker 2020. Let's see what OpenShot has. It's free, but it doesn't have any green screen or text. It has many timelines to put stuff like videos or photos in. And it's also easy to learn. 2020 Movie Maker. Not very easy to learn, but has a built-in screen recorder, and it can record post voice, and has text. Free, but there's a huge watermark. It's about $60 for the full version. Screen recorder. Screencast-O-Matic. Free, but doesn't have a lot of features. Has a small watermark, and it doesn't crash. So that's good. I would recommend that if you aren't going to get Windows Movie Maker or don't feel like getting, or just don't feel like using the the screen recorder on it. So I'd actually recommend getting OBS because I just think it's really good. Pretty simple. You don't have to pay for it. There's no watermark or recording limit. So for TV screen recorders, I would recommend the Ripsaw HD. It's really good. And it of course does depend on what TV you have. And also you need OBS for it. So that's another reason why you should get OBS. So yeah, that's it. Microphones. TV. There's a lot of cheap ones on the shopping page, or eBay, or Amazon. Computer. I use earbuds with a built-in microphone. It works really well. Discord. Discord is a really good way to talk with fans, and announce things. So, I think you should get Discord if you don't have it. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.